Hi everyone, this is Luca from ShopShipShake. I'm in charge of the shoes catalog on our website. Today, I want to share with you my knowledge of the shoes market and the sales report in our background system. I think this can help some beginners. Are you ready? Let's check them out. Firstly, let me ask you a question. I know people all knew about Made in China, but does there anyone knows Made in Berlin? Actually, this is China's largest foreign trade shoe manufacturing base. The export value of shoes products reached more than 4 billion last year. These suppliers know customers very well, know their favorite styles, and provide them with a wide range of choices, which has created a mature and huge market. Here are the characteristics of some popular shoes. Heels have a sexy style design. Mainly include straps, golden color, diamond encrusted, and other design elements. Sandals have brightly colored with a reasonable price. Boots, Dr. Martin. The shoes of this brand is so famous that people use its name to describe the style of the shoes. And others are described with snow, wool, and rope. Sneakers as a sports shoe must be breathable, have soft soles, and have brightly colored. Winter slippers have a lovely or cartoon design. And don't forget its most important feature, wool and non-slip. Next, let's take a look at the sales report in our system. At the same time, I will share the link and extract some keywords to share with everyone. You can use it flexibly in finding different kinds of shoes in the future. Okay, let's log in our system at first. There are several catalogs on our home page. Flip down the page, let's find the shoes catalog. Click more. Choose the best-selling option. We can see that the sales of this woman's makeup ranked first. The keywords in its description are sexual, mixed color. Women's boots ranked second. The keywords are high heels, thick heels, mountain boots. The third place is warm slippers. The keywords are cotton and cartoon. Okay, now let me organize and summarize what we just saw. I added some hot words about shoe search on our website. At the moment, it's winter in South Africa. Obviously, the first name of the good word is boots. Here I have some more tips for everyone. You can describe it in more detail when searching, such as thigh-high boots, snow boots, mountain boots, warm boots, and so on. Shoes is the best option for you to make money, because the quality of shoes SSS offers you will not let you down. The price of shoes directly supplied by Chinese factories is generally 3 to 4 times of the local market price in South Africa. And we can directly help you to communicate with the factory without middlemen. SSS can also provide you with fast and quick transportation and service to ensure the price is absolutely competitive in the local market. Welcome to the detail page. I recommend several products to you there. That's all for now. And don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. We will keep you updated with the latest wholesale market trends in China. I'm Luca, the master of shoes from ShopShipShake. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.